Welcome to our video on how to start a successful online business. In this video, we will be discussing the key steps and strategies for building and growing a successful online business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your existing online business, this video will provide valuable information and insights. Let's get started and learn how to turn your passion into a profitable online business. Identifying a niche. One of the most important aspects of starting a successful online business is identifying a specific niche. A niche is a specific market or segment of a larger market. It is important to choose a niche that is profitable and that you are passionate about. To identify a profitable niche, you should conduct market research and analyze consumer needs, trends, and competition in your chosen field. Some tips for identifying a niche include: 1. Look for gaps in the market that you can fill. 2. Identify a specific target audience and understand their needs and pain points. 3. Analyze the competition and find ways to differentiate your business. It's important to remember that while it's good to choose a profitable niche, it's also important to choose something you're passionate about, as it will make it much easier to run and grow the business. Building a website. Once you have identified a niche, the next step is to build a website for your online business. There are various website building platforms available, such as WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace, that make it easy for anyone to create a professional-looking website. When building your website, it's important to keep the following in mind. 1. Make sure your website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. 2. Use visually appealing and high-quality images and videos. 3. Optimize your website for search engines using techniques such as keyword research and meta tags. It's also important to have a clear and compelling call to action, CTA, on your website, such as a sign-up form or a purchase button, to encourage visitors to take the next step. Your website is the foundation of your online business, so make sure it is professional, well-designed, and optimized to convert visitors into customers. Marketing and promotion. Once your website is up and running, it's time to start marketing and promoting your online business. There are various marketing strategies that you can use to reach your target audience, such as social media marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are powerful tools for reaching and engaging with potential customers. Content marketing, such as creating blog posts, videos, and infographics, is a great way to attract and retain customers by providing valuable information and building trust. Paid advertising, such as Google AdWords or Facebook ads, can be an effective way to reach a large audience quickly and generate immediate sales. It's important to test different marketing strategies and measure their effectiveness to find the best approach for your business, and also make sure to consistently creating and sharing valuable content with your audience. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found the information and tips provided helpful in starting or growing your online business. Remember that starting an online business requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. If you liked this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on building and growing a successful online business. Thanks for watching.